Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. Today we are going to make some of the most delicious festive treats that are out there. These are just the best treats, so come along with me. So here's what I'm going to use to make these. We've got these pretzel bags. You get 20 of them at Walmart for around $2. These cute little pom-poms, there's a 80 in there. I think they were around $2.50. And then you've got the wiggle eyes that we use for Rudolph's eyes. We've got this tinsel stems that I got at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. We will use either this Land O'Lakes hot cocoa that I bought at Walmart for 72 cents, or we could use the Swiss Miss milk chocolate, same size. It's around a 1.25 ounces also. We've got these mini marshmallows that I got at Walmart. And I'm also going to use either these dark chocolate chips. You could use semi-sweet chocolate chips. Or I might use these that I also bought. I bought these at Aldi. They're hot cocoa and marshmallow flavored morsels. So here we go. So I am pouring in the hot cocoa mix. Making sure it'll get in there. Get all of the packet all the way in there. Okay, and then kind of shake it to make sure that it all went down there. Next, I cut this off, but I actually am going to cut it a little bit more and fold it over. So I'm cutting it, and then I'm going to get a piece of transparent tape. I'm going to fold this over and get a piece of transparent. I will tape this shut with the transparent tape. Okay, so you've got this nice little square packet. Next, I will get one of the another pretzel bag out, and we're going to stuff this one into this pretzel bag. So if you start with one corner and just kind of stuff it in there, it should go down. But it's a tight squeeze. All right, so after I stuff that in there, I put in around 10 of those hot chocolate morsels, and then I'm going to put around 10 of the marshmallows, or maybe around 7 or 8 at the top. And we will fold it and get a pipe cleaner to make the antlers. Tie that. Just kind of tie that on here. And we will zigzag to make them look like antlers. Okay. Next, we will put on the eyeballs using these little glue dots. So we'll take this little off here. And you take one of these little glue dots and put it right where the eyeball will go. And another glue dot where that eyeball will go. It's really wherever you want them to go. And then one for the nose, the pom-pom. Another glue dot. Okay, and then we will find the eyeballs, stick them on, and stick on the nose. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Ready to give as a gift. I just think he is the cutest. And here are some adorable Rudolph Hot Cocoa little free gift tags to put on. We'll put a little hole punch in it and attach it to his antler, and he is all set. This is a delicious gift. Okay, the next thing we're gonna make are some hot cocoa spoons using this silicone 1-inch ice cube tray. And I bought these spoons, these candy cane spoons from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to use some semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then we'll top it off with some marshmallows. So let's get started first. What we're gonna do is we're going to melt some of these in a bowl in the microwave in 30-second increments. All right, so I microwaved this 3 times on 30-second intervals, and it's now nicely melted. I use those mini semi-sweet chips, and then we're going to pour them. I'm only making a few of these, so that's why I only used a half a cup. So we're gonna put it in there and fill it. There's probably a neater way to do this, but it's chocolate. It looks so good. It smells really good. So a half a cup is gonna fill it up to about the top for 2 of them. This smells so good. Okay. Now what we're gonna do next is put this in the fridge to harden up a little, just a little bit, and then we'll stick the spoons in them. Get as much chocolate as I can out of here. And I'm only gonna make 2 of these today. Tap it down and put it in the fridge. All right, so next I'm gonna get these spoons ready to put in there. On the back, it's got this nice little scissor mark here where you can just cut to get these out easily. So I'm just gonna punch these out. Aren't these cute? So cute. Get another one. They just come out really easily. Okay, and I bought these cute Jet Puff Bits vanilla marshmallows. Look at these. Put these on the top. So let's see if we're ready for these. Okay, so this has only been in here for about 5 minutes, but as you can see, long enough for this to be able to stand up straight. Now we're gonna put in those marshmallows. Okay, so here are the marshmallows. And you know, we could use those miniature marshmallows too, but I thought these were really cute. So we're just going to stick them on top here. Look at how cute that is. Love this. So we'll just put as many as we want down there. Okay, so we put these in here, and we're gonna put this back in the fridge to harden up. Okay, so I popped these out, and as you can see, I was popping this one and it broke. So a tip is pop them from the bottom, don't hold on to the stick, or else the stick will probably break. So that one's gonna be for me, the one that's broken. So I found these cute free tags that say cuddle up with hot chocolate, and it tells how to heat up your hot chocolate. And then I attached it with a little hole punch, and it turned out just perfect. All right, so now we're gonna make this yummy, delicious treat with these snap pretzels, some M&Ms, and some Rolos. all you have to do is put these on a piece of parchment paper and turn the oven on to 350. Lay these on your parchment paper. I'm only going to make a few today. And you take the Rolos and you put them on the top. And then what you're going to do is cook it at 350 for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we'll put an M&M on the top, and they are delicious. Okay, so I've preheated my oven to 350, and now these are ready to go in for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I left mine in for about 3 minutes, and I'm gonna put little M&M on the top. I'm gonna put red and green for festive colors since it is Christmas time. Look how easily that goes on there. Love these. Just push it in there so gently. These could not be simpler to make. Love these. And they are so good. There you go. Now we just need to let them cool. I hope you've had as much fun as I have making these delicious treats. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you again real soon.